Hi, Linden-Peters 4-H project leaders. This is Wendy. I wanted to do a really quick screencast to try to help with uploading some items to the website or to your project pages over here, and then also manipulating the calendar. I'm going to go to the calendar really quick, and you'll see that items come up. And there are probably, well, I know there are many people smarter than I who can probably figure out a program to be able to manipulate the calendar right here as it sits on the website. I, however, am not that talented. So what I did when I just threw this together was when I edited the page, you can insert items. So that's where I inserted a calendar, and you'll see that here. But this is also a place where you can go to your Google Drive and import forms, images, a slide presentation, a video you get off of YouTube, anything. So that's a really important item for manipulating and uploading and whatnot to your site. You can do links to websites. Again, images, if you type up directions for something on Google Drive, you can just insert those documents really easy. So if you don't have a Google account, you don't have a Drive account, I encourage you to get one. It's easy, it's free, and unbelievable number of tools for you to use. So I'm going to save here so I don't mess things up. But I want to show you where the calendar is. So all of you should have permission. Here we are at the website. I'll go back to the main site, and I hit share and gave everyone permissions. Lisa gave me everyone's email addresses, so I entered you here, and you can all. I need to change Leslie to be able to edit. Sorry, Les. So you all should be able to edit different web page, or the entire web page actually. And a few of you have Gmail addresses. That's cool, Rita. So that's where that is. I'll go back to the site, and then I'm going to show you where a drive might be. So here's a Google screen. I'm in Google Chrome. That's the browser I'm using. You can use Safari or Firefox or anything you want. I'm using Chrome. So if you go here, there are the apps, and then here's my Google Drive. And on Drive, there's all kinds of tools. You can see all kinds of different things that I have going on here. But you can also go up here and go to the calendar. This, you can see this is my personal calendar, and then we have a Linden-Peters 4-H calendar. This is a calendar, again, I shared with with a bunch of us. So, it's not coming up right now, but I know there was I'm lame, but I found a place where I could share and enter email addresses. So hopefully, you guys all have access to this, and this is where you will create items. So you can go to a particular date and enter. So you see I put in Molly's Clover meeting at the elementary school on Friday the 31st after school, and that's just entering it. You can double click and edit, do anything you want, set reminders, color code it, yada yada yada. So that's how you would do that. Then once an item is added here, when we go back to the website calendar, you'll see the item populate here. So it's not done straight directly into or on the website. It's done on a Google Calendar, and again, I gave permission to a bunch of people's email addresses. I haven't ever manipulated a Google Calendar from outside of a Gmail account, so I don't know if people are having difficulty there. That might be it. It might require you to have a Gmail account. I've never heard that, but again, I haven't messed with that at all, or in any amount of detail. And again, I'm learning how to use this tool as well. I just found it's really pretty cool. So if you don't have permission to this, go ahead and email me. It's frank.wendy@gmail.com, and I'll spend some time trying to figure out if that's indeed the case, or like I said, I just looked up here and I saw some other circles that I'm involved with work and things, and I don't see folks. So I think I need to make maybe a circle of 4-H folks. So that's it in a nutshell. Again, let me go to the website. There are a bunch of tutorials. If you click down here, Project Leader Website Management Resources, that's how I learn anything. I don't take a class or whatever. I hit YouTube and I Google, Google website tutorial. But I found these, they're pretty short, The first one's only 6 minutes. This one's a little bit longer. But it'll give you a little more information on how to do things with Google Sites. And then, that might inspire you to go on and learn all kinds of different things that are available on Drive. If you look here, there's an awful lot. All of these tools. And this, again, this is free. I have a Google Apps for Education account with my work, and we utilize this, and it's a nice closed network and safe for kids to put their slide presentations on websites and share with us, and you can comment on forums and all kinds of cool things. But something to look at if you're interested in making things easier, or even teaching your kids about some of the products that Google offers them, because chances are they're going to be Google Apps for Education consumers pretty soon also, because again, Google's big brother maybe, but boy, they sure have a lot of really good tools for us to use. So there's a place here. We'll get with the kids and hopefully be able to start posting. Molly or Lisa will start posting meeting minutes here. We can add an agenda page. Hopefully I have everybody's projects here. And again, if not, let me know and I'm happy to add them. And that's all. I hope this was helpful. Email me. I'll do what I can to figure things out, and hopefully this will be a nice place for all of us, if nothing else, to be able to access the calendar. And then when we're planning our project meetings, we'll be able to not overlap and schedule 2 or 3 on the same day, so that our kids can get the most of our awesome 4-H club. And that's it. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Take care.